In this video, I'm going to show you how you can cut multiple vinyl colours on one mat. I will also show you how you can do this on the mobile app and on the desktop. So let's start with the mobile app first. When you have your design ready to go and your vinyl scraps are in place on your mat, this is what you need to do. Select all layers, click on Sync, and here you will choose one color layer and move all the other color layers on top of that color you choose. And just click on it and then drag to the color. This will make all the layers one color and cut on one mat. Next, select Make It. Click on the Snap Mat icon that is on the bottom left-hand corner. This will activate your phone camera. So for this step, you need to move your phone around your mat and try to line up the guides. When the two blue dots touch the center markers, a green line will appear and the app will automatically take a photo. Click Use. In this screen, you will see that your design has come through. Just go through all the layers and place them onto the correct vinyl color. You can do this by just tapping once on the item and then that will select it, and then you can move it to your layer. Now click Continue and you can go ahead and cut out your vinyl. Now I will go ahead and show you how to do this on a desktop. So this version of Design Space does not have the Snap Match feature that the mobile app does, so you'll need to do everything manually. When you have your design ready to go, select all layers. Go up to Line Type and choose one color. This will make your whole design one color and therefore cut on one mat. Next, click Make It. In this screen, go through and separate your design, leaving enough space in between. Then on your actual mat, you will need to check your screen and place the vinyl on the mat, making sure that your design on screen will be covered with enough vinyl. This part sounds a little confusing, but after you do it for the first time, you'll know exactly what I mean. From here, you can go ahead and cut out your design. So I hope this video has helped you learn something new today. If it has, please give this video a like. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have a video request, please leave it in the comments, and I'll see you guys next time.